If you're seeing Facebook error 282, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it quickly. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but in many cases, it's caused by a temporary glitch, a connection issue, a login problem, or even an account restriction. So before you panic, let's go through the easiest fixes first. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 and see if the error disappears. Sometimes Facebook just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary issue. If you're on a laptop or desktop, this is the fastest first step, and it often solves the problem right away. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly, or try switching to mobile data if you're on a phone. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to load errors instead of the page you're trying to open. If possible, test another website to see if the issue is with Facebook or with your connection. If your internet looks fine, try logging out of Facebook and then logging back in again. This can reset your session and clear any temporary sign-in issues that may be causing error 282. After logging back in, go back to the page and check if Facebook is working normally again. In many cases, a fresh login is enough to fix the problem. Another important thing to check is whether your account has any restrictions. Facebook sometimes limits certain actions if it detects unusual activity, policy violations, or security concerns. If your account has a restriction, that could be the reason you're seeing the error. Go into your account settings or support inbox and look for any notifications, warnings, or account status messages. If you still see the error after trying all of that, wait a little while and try again later. Some Facebook errors are temporary and get resolved on their own after a short period of time. You can also try opening Facebook in a different browser, clearing your browser cache, or using the Facebook app if you're currently on a browser. Those extra steps can sometimes help if the issue is related to stored data or a browser problem. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for Facebook error 282 are to refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, log out and log back in, and make sure your account has no restrictions. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next one, because the issue is often solved by one of these basic fixes. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Facebook error 282. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.